Pooty. I am going to be bringing videos to you all freaking day. Let me tell you something. I'm done. I've lost it. I'm no longer going to be playing nice. I'm just so sick and tired of misinformation and people not getting what they really need to get. About 6 weeks ago, I had a really good friend of mine who is in the same world of treating people that we treat. We take care of people all over the planet, okay? There's a group of doctors. We speak all the time, and we do a lot of advanced therapies and advanced treatments that not a lot of other people have access to, and most of your regular doctors don't even know exist, okay? Ignorance is bliss, right? Well, one thing that we had done is our doctors that were treating patients in China, we had made sure that everyone knew that megadose vitamin C was the answer for helping with any viral infections and to improve the immune system. We know that anti-medications do not work. We know that the standard care for a virus in the hospital right now is IV fluids and rest. That's the deal. So here's the thing. I'm livid. I'm just PO time because I got completely bastardized. We got shut off of social media. We got shut down because we talked about how in China they were using high-dose vitamin C IVs to help people get better with COVID-19. Guess what? Yesterday, guess what the headline news was, and I got it all over this morning. Hospitals in New York are treating patients that have COVID-19 with high-dose vitamin C. Boom. Okay? I'm going to tell you there's a whole lot of other stuff that we've been talking about that we've been told was wrong, and just be quiet and go sit in the corner. You don't know what you're talking about. Vitamin C, ladies and gentlemen, here is your anatomy lesson. Take this to your doctor and shove this information right in their face and demand that you get high-dose vitamin C and vitamin C infusions. Vitamin C increases white blood cell production. That's your immune system, people. It's just called common sense, okay? Common sense, unfortunately, is not that common, and people are suffering and dying, and people are using this as a political agenda to push their narrative, whatever it is. Guess who's not sick? My patients. Guess why? Because they've been getting vitamin IVs for months, weeks, or years. Guess what else is not going to happen to them? They're not going to have other problems. Why? Because they've been getting adjusted regularly, because adjustments help improve the nervous system, which help improve the immune system, period. We're no longer going to be playing politically correct. If you don't believe it, that's fine. That's kind of like me saying I'm going to jump off the arch, which is a big, no, I can't say that word. It's a big place in St. Louis, and if you jump off the arch, you're going to fall and hit the ground. I don't care what you say. That's just a fact. Just like vitamin C is a fact, a human physiology, it improves the immune system. It helps the body make white blood cells. So right now they're saying in New York, here it is, serious sickness outbreak in New York, largest hospital systems. The largest hospital systems in New York, based on promising reports that helped people in China, I reported on that 6 weeks ago, got vilified for it because I'm the crazy chiropractor that doesn't know what he's talking about. Guess what? Your doctors are idiots. They're ignorant. What they don't know is killing you. Wait till I give you guys my report that I've done. I have 14 pages on all this COVID-19 stuff. It's coming out today. I'm going to record it today so you all can make up your own decisions about this, because we do not have enough data right now to be shutting down the world. And all the virologists, epidemiologists that are really out there looking, that are scientists to help with this, will say the same thing. All of us, making a big deal of shutting down the world right now is not what we need to be doing. I'm sorry, but it's not. I'm right about this, just like I'm right about vitamin D3, just like I'm right about astragalus, just like I'm right about elderberry, just like I'm right about getting adjusted. You do not need to be sitting home with your head in the sand right now. You need to be taking your health and your life seriously, okay? The people who are going to get sick and die from this are the same people that are going to get sick and die from a flu, because they are immunocompromised, because their body's sick, because they either haven't taken the right action steps to get healthy, or because their doctors have not educated them on that process. Period. I don't care if somebody says, well, Dr. Eric, you're being so rude. No, I've spent the last 15 years of my life taking care of sick people. I'm the farthest from rude. I'm the farthest from cavalier. I'm the farthest from being heartless. People are going to die. People die every year. 60 million people die from this planet every year. 60 million, okay? A lot more people, by the way, definition of pandemic up until 2 years ago was higher death and mortality rate than the average flu. Like, just so you know, you can't definitely tell something is a pandemic. The definition used to be that it had to kill more people than the average flu season did. Well, guess what? They took that definition out 2 years ago. That's the only reason why we can declare this a pandemic, because more people have not died from COVID-19 than they have from the flu. Fact. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong. Okay? People need to get educated. High dose vitamin C is what you need to be doing. I can't tell you how many things that I've predicted over the years and we've been villainized and bastardized for. We were one of the first ones to come out and said that opioids are killing people. Well, we were crazy 10 years ago saying that. Guess what, people? We were right again. What were we saying? There's other medications like Vioxx that are killing people. I don't listen to those crazy chiropractors. They don't know. It's time to listen, people. People are dying. Your life is being ruined because you don't know. Ignorance is freaking bliss. And I'm done. I'm just done dealing with the ignorance and stupidity. There's enough people on this planet that know what the hell's going on that we need to stand up and voice up what's happening. You know what the answer to this problem is? We need more people less sick, period. We need more people less sick. That's the answer. How do we do that? We got to get you healthy. How do you get healthy? You got to get with somebody that knows what the hell health really means, because we base health in our society off of how we look and how we feel, and that is not, I repeat, that is not the definition of health. Some of the best looking people on the planet are going to die tomorrow because they're sick. Some of the folks that you would think are not healthy because the way they look are going to live a long time, people. Health is all off of physiology. Stop guessing and start testing. Your structure and alignment is typically important. Your nutrition, what you eat, ridiculously important. Your nerve function, even more important. Stop living with your head in the sand and start waking up to what's really happening in the world. Information is being suppressed. You guys better share this, because I guarantee you this video is going to get taken off of Facebook. Once again, people, I'm right. I'm right again. Like a bazillion things that I've said a million times about health. You need to go to the chiropractor to get adjusted. You need to get vitamin C orally and as an injection. You need to be taking vitamin D right now. You need to be eating clean, drinking water. You need to be sleeping well. You need to be praying and fasting. You need to be relaxing and de-stressing. That's what you need. Stop the insanity and stop all the BS. Again, just came out yesterday, proving me right again. The major hospital systems in New York, where the biggest epicenters of COVID-19 are right now, are giving mega doses of vitamin C IVs. This is in the New York Post, okay? Like, this is not some op-ed. This is not some opinion piece. This is right out of the Post. Last night, I called the hospital systems, my friends that are in New York, and guess what they're doing? They're doing high-dose vitamin C. Most doctors don't even know what the hell that does and what it is. You guys, this is just, there's so many things. This is why they need a doctor like me on the CDC. This is why, not necessarily me, but someone that thinks this way. There are lots of great ones out there, but if we're going to help people, we need to help people get less sick. That's what we need. You don't need to be sitting at home now scared that you're going to die from some virus. You know what you need to do? Get yourself adjusted. Get yourself your vitamins. Get you the things you need. People are asking, what's the dose? The dose is the dose that you need based off of your individual needs. How do you determine that? Go see someone who knows what they're doing. But I'm telling you right now, the average American better be taking 3,000 milligrams at least 3 times a day. Some of you are going to say, that's so much vitamin C, I'm going to get diarrhea, I'm going to poop my pants. You're not going to poop your pants. Just make sure you're staying hydrated, dose yourself up to it. You need that high level of protection. That's why we do vitamin C IVs. It bypasses the GI tract, goes right into your bloodstream. You have no digestive problems with that, and we can give you up to 60 grams of vitamin C in one of our pushes. That is the key to keeping your immune system charged and boosted. You guys, I get one every week. I normally get them twice a month over the last month because I've been busier with all this crap going on and helping people wade through the BS. I've been getting them once a week. What about kids? Take the adult dose and cut it in half. If you guys want to learn more about good dosing for vitamin C, here's 2 resources right now. Go to Dr. Andrew Saul's website, dryourself.com. I'm going to say it again, dryourself.com. You better be sharing this right now, because I'm telling you, this is going to be suppressed. You are not going to hear this on mainstream media. This is a fact. This is physiology 101. You know why the medical world's failing? Because all they do is treat you with drugs. Drugs don't boost the immune system. Drugs don't improve physiology. Drugs inhibit physiology. That's what they do. They don't improve, they inhibit. It's just that simple. Get on some vitamin C right now. And I'm going to tell you right now, people are going to say, where do I get it? Try to get liposomal vitamin C. Go to Andrew Saul's website, dryourself.com, dryourself.com. Go there and learn about dosing for yourself and for your children. You want to dose to bowel tolerance, or go to the Reardon Clinic, Dr. Reardon. Go to his clinic on his site. He's got dosing information on there as well. I'll pull it later. I'm going to be busy trying to save the world today, helping people get, you know what the biggest sickness is? Ignorance. Ignorance is the biggest sickness right now. I've been saying this for years. I've been pushing it out to the community to make up their own decision. Like, here's the deal. I don't care what you do with your health as long as it doesn't negatively affect me. But my job is to give you information so you can make an informed decision of what you need to do. I don't see enough shares. You guys have got to share this, or I'm not going to be talking about it anymore. Because if people don't share this information, Facebook has an algorithm. They shut stuff down when the information is good, when it can change people's lives. You know what they want? They want you to be sick. Why? It's a hell of a lot easier to control the sheep whenever you got them sick. When you're healthy and you're full of piss and vinegar and you're still got the American spirit in you, but you've got energy, that's hard to control. Guess what? I'm hard to control. My patients are hard to control. You know why? Because they're healthy. But we need to get out of fear and get into faith. This right here is one huge thing, and there's a whole bunch more. I'm going to put out a report day. I got 14 pages front and back that I'm going to share with everyone at some point today about what's going on. I'm going to say this again, just over the news again. New York hospitals treating coronavirus patients with high-dose vitamin C. We've been saying it for weeks. It's been suppressed. We got flagged as fake news for putting this out, for putting out false information. I got reprimanded by Facebook and other social media that I was lying to the community. That's bullshit, okay? You're getting information suppressed because they don't want you to know. What else don't they want you to know? You better get plugged in and find out. I got a lot more information to share with you today. You all need to go to my private page that we have, our Common Sense Health page. You need to go there today, right now. Watch the video that I did on there. Those videos will change your life. Watch the video on nutrition. What do I do to prep for coronavirus? What do I prep for COVID-19? What do I do? Get educated is what you do. Listen, if you don't get educated, ignorance will kill you. What you don't know will kill you. I'm just telling you guys, I'm fired up because this is the truth, and I got a hell of a lot more firepower where this comes from, and my gloves are off because you know why? It's my job to help lead people. It's my job to educate. You're not going to hear this stuff on CNN, NBC, Fox News. You're not going to hear any of this kind of stuff. That's it. I'm done. Dr. Eric's gloves are off. Why? Because I've been asked to help this community and help people get healthy, period. And that's my job. And I'm going to do it. And I take my job very, very seriously. Guess where you're not going to hear this? From your doctors. They don't know. You know what your doctors know? How to give you drugs. And you know what they don't have right now? A drug to help you. Stop looking for answers in a man or woman that has no answers. The human body is amazing. It can heal from all things. All things. Anything can be healed in the human body, period. But you got to do the right things. You got to have the right faith, and you got to have the right stewardship. We talk about praying while you shuffle your feet. I know it's early, but I'm going to tell you right now, I'm fired up, and I'm fired up all day. You need to go and share my page with all your friends and family as well, because I'm going to tell you, I'm just so pissed and frustrated that information that can change your life is not being put out there. This is not difficult. Go get some high-dose vitamin C. Start taking it now. Supercharge your immune system. By the way, this should not be declared a pandemic. The reason why? Boy, I'm going to get a lot of flack for this. Up until 2 years ago, the definition of a pandemic was you had to have a higher mortality rate than the average flu. The average flu in the United States kills 60,000 people a year. Sorry, between 50 and 60,000 a year, period. Guess what COVID-19 has done? 500. Maybe. Okay? That's just the deal. If you don't know, you don't know. And that's, if you're getting your information from CNN, NBC, Fox News, local news, they're not in it to help you. They have an agenda to push. They're just basically they're getting ratings. This is the best sweeps weeks they've ever freaking had. Whatever differences that we've had as a society, as a culture, whatever differences I've had with you or you've had with me, that all needs to go away now. Okay, it's time to stop our bickering. It's time to stop our fighting with each other. You know what we need? More people, less sick. We need to get our country back to work because people that are under the age of 50, not even 40, under the age of 50, have little to no risk whatsoever for this problem. And that's a fact. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. You're ignorant and you don't know. And I know that the doctors out there are giving you worst case scenarios. I did, but that's worst case scenarios. People ask, what's a good brand of vitamin C? Right now, the brand you can find, because it's going on shortage. Go get that stuff. But liposomal or organic vitamin C is amazing. Also, green tea extract. Go start getting some green tea and start drinking green tea every freaking hour, a warm green tea. There was a doctor sent me an article last night that said fake news, vitamin C and lemon water doesn't help with COVID-19. No, it definitely doesn't treat COVID-19, but it boosts your immune system. It helps you healthier so it can fight COVID-19. There's no drug that fights COVID-19. Your human body fights it, people. Let's stop playing so damn stupid and so ignorant. Guess what? I'm going to be talking about this all freaking week long, but you guys better share this. If you don't share this information, it's going to get suppressed. And if it gets suppressed, guess what? Our information chain is done. All right? Go to my page. Go to Common Sense Health on Facebook right now. Common Sense Health. Ask to be invited to that page because this information and other information is there for you so that you can educate yourselves, help yourselves. It's important. It's time to change and save people's lives. We got to stop messing around, people. I'm done with it. My gloves are off. I'm going to be bringing you information all day, as much as I can, every day, between my patients that I'm serving, so that you can have your health and have some sanity back. And I'm going to tell you right now, if you can get some understanding of things you can do, like they said, vitamin C is being used in all the hospitals in New York. Guess what? That's going to be utilized in every hospital across the country moving forward now. You want to know why? Because it works. And guess what? We've been doing it in our practices for 15 years. And guess what? It works all the time. My people don't get sick. When they get sick, it's a little bitty cough, and that's it. That's what the immune system's supposed to do. We fight it, we recognize it, we deal with it. That way, whenever it comes back, it's done again, period. So listen, share. Go to Common Sense Health page. We've got so much stuff that we're going to be sharing with you today. I cannot wait to share this information with you guys, okay? I just cannot wait to share it. I need some time to read it, and I want you to think about it, because we've lost the ability to critical think. And heck yeah, we're doing vitamin C IVs in our office. We're open today doing them. We did them all day yesterday. We've done them all week this week. You need to get two huge things. Number one, you need to get to the chiropractor and get adjusted. Why? Because when you get adjusted, your nervous system works better, period, and that makes your immune system work better. Guess what? They're going to tell you that he's crazy. Oh, that crazy chiropractor, he's at it again. Guess what? I've been right every time. I'm undefeated, folks. Sorry, but that's just the truth. So here's the deal. Go get adjusted. Go get vitamin C infusion today. That's what you need. Stop listening to Fox News. They don't know what the hell's going on. Stop taking Tylenol, because the risk is shown if you're taking Tylenol, aspirin, ibuprofen, you're going to be a flu shot, because people have been shown that if you get a flu shot, you have a worse risk of getting this. COVID-19 is going to be worse for you, period. That's what the research in PubMed says. But you know what? NBC, Fox News, everybody else, they ain't doing research. I am, because I care about you guys. Love and appreciate you. Share this. Like it. Go to Common Sense Health. You need to be there, because there ain't no Common Sense Health right now unless you're on that page. Be blessed. I love and appreciate y'all.